Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rocket, where today I'll be showing you how to make these really simple and cool emoji sprites from Perler Beads.
You might also be wondering, why exactly am I uploading a two-dimensional sprite instead of a 3D model? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Because of the rate I'm producing these 3D models at, my beads are seriously depleting. And that's why I have really big upload gaps, because I have to wait for my beads to arrive after I order them. The point of this is going to be so that I will have more time to upload something with less beads used. Also, I'm planning to start a small series of videos called 2D Tuesday. I'll be uploading every Tuesday some 2D sprites. And now that you're familiar with why I did this, let's begin. The very first sprite that we will be making is going to be the iconic laugh emoji. Make sure you copy down all of the details I am doing right here, because errors can make the whole emoji look weird. Also, for all these three emojis, you're going to be needing periwinkle blue, yellow, white, cobalt blue, and black. Now I am going to cover it with a sheet of ironing paper and iron. Time for the second emoji. This emoji is going to be a pretty popular one. It is the crying emoji, with one tear at the side. Also, make sure to pause the video right now to copy down the plan. Now that it's ironed, it's time for the most interesting, from my opinion, emoji. It's this stare emoji. It's like, what? As soon as I finish, make sure to pause the video to copy down everything I did. And now we're gonna iron it, and we're done.
When you finish this model, congratulations on finishing it. Also, if you think 2D Tuesday is going to be a cool addition to our channel, please leave a comment down in the comment section. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.